Good day. Today we are going to demonstrate the 50% work of the Renote system. The Renote system is the reviewer notes for the students. Here we have the create new account. First is the username. For example, my name, Christian. And for my email is my institution account. Then password. And confirm password. We have here the confirm password so that the user can know that they typed the correct password. Then, create account. Then we have the prompt here, account create successfully, then OK. Then here we will head to the main interface if we click the OK. Here we have the Renote system or the Renote name of our system. And we have here the search notes or courses, then log in or sign up. Here we have the My Courses. For example, the ETAP 101, the ETAP 102. If you want to add another course or other subjects, just hit this button or click this button. For example, JEC 103. What is JEC 103? The JEC 103, for example. If you want to add notes in JEC 103, just create note. For example, reviewer for quiz. Then write your note here. For example, just example this. Then note create successfully. Here, this is the newly created notes and the newly created course. And next one will be discussed by Kyle.
And now that we are here in our home interface, we can see the Let's Get Started menu, which have the scan QR code and create note. And if we tap the scan QR code, we can directly see the camera, and then let's proceed to detect our QR. And as you can see, it detects the notes and the link for that lesson. And now we can directly save the notes or scan another. For example, here, let's save as notes. And then this page will say that the QR content save as notes. Then proceed to tap the OK. And then it can be seen here in the main interface. And if we provided the wrong link for that lesson, then we can easily tap the delete button and then proceed to delete. Okay, and now we are here to the different types of lesson that we have in different courses. And that will be all for our Renote.